Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got one of the good ones right here. This is a genuine Chevy Bel Air hardtop, 1955. Gentleman spent $85,000 on a body off frame restoration. It's got a 350 fuel injected motor. We had air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. Really nice quality car. Go to volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. You will also find price tags on every one of our cars along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, does anyone know the difference between a hardtop and a coupe? The hardtop does not have the post right here. It's nice and open, a little sportier looking. A coupe or a sedan would have the post and the frame around the window when you open the door. So this is a hardtop, very desirable. Body was lifted off the frame. There's no rust under this car. The rockers, the floors, the braces, the mounts, all nice clean metal. It's all prepped, painted a satin black. The chassis was prepped and painted satin black. It's all been rebuilt. The steering, the suspension, the ball joints, springs, bushings, shocks, front and back, that's all redone. Brake system was rebuilt and upgraded to disc in the front. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. Fuel system was replaced. Fuel lines, sending unit, all that was replaced as well. It's got a nice dual exhaust system going all the way out the back. I think the mufflers are called accelerators. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter. Transmission has been upgraded to a 700 R4 overdrive automatic, great for cruising on the highway. Rebuilt drive shaft, rebuilt rear end, 355 gears. So underneath the car is just very clean and proper. It's not chrome plated and glamorous, but it's all nice and clean and done right. So the body appears to be really outstanding. Well, let's check it out. It is absolutely straight. There's no waves. Body lines up really nicely. The hood is square and flush. No dents, no issues. This is all fantastic, actually. Absolutely straight. The gaps are right on. Fender is clean. There's no bubbles down here. No issues. All fits beautifully. Smooth. Looks like there's a little drip in the paint right there. This is all nice and smooth, clean wheel well, all nice. Body's outstanding. It even feels slick. No issues. The roof is straight. All beautiful body. All fits nice. And the paint is polished like glass. Little chipped right down inside there. Probably slamming it too hard. But even the white paint is like glass. Absolutely straight, no issues. This is all slick and real nice, smooth. And when you open the door, the little flipper opens and closes over the window, gives it a better seal. Back to the body, though. Body's outstanding. I don't know what to fault on the body, and the paint, again, is slick. It's a nice red with a nice bright white. I don't find any flaws in the paint. I'm not saying there isn't one, but I'm telling you this is an outstanding glass finish paint job. Now, all the trim is sparkling as well. The bird, the emblem, the whole grille, bumper guard, bezels, all of that's been replaced. It's beautiful. I'm looking for any rock chips while I'm up here. I don't see any. Not a one. There's a bug. No, that's all excellent. No bubbles over the headlights. Stainless moldings, polished and straight. This is an optional rocker molding, dual mirrors, correct antenna. This all looks new. The base around the wipers, the trim, all the trim, the vent window frame, all the trim on top of the doors, around the doors, all the emblems, all sparkling. Door handles. Now the windshield's new, rear window's new, the gaskets were replaced, tail lights were replaced, the reverse lights work, bumper, excellent shape, emblem, excellent. You got the little V8 logos. Has the optional trim around the fuel door. Yeah, really, really nice car. Now I'm curious if the side glass is new too. It rolls real nice. Yeah, that's a new piece of glass, so I'm going to guess the others are as well. The framework around the glass is all new or redone. The window fuzzies, the rubber weather strips, all redone. 2015 safety inspection, National Street Rod Association. Car does have 13,000 miles on it, so it's a driver. They've drove and enjoyed the car. It looks like it was just done a week ago, though. There's no signs of it being driven. Fortunately, the fellow passed away. That's why it was being sold. We were told it was a Tennessee car all of its life, and when they took it down and restored it, it was a rust-free mint car, mint body to start with. The wheels are polished American Racing Torque Thrust. They are 15-inch with some Coupe radial tires on there. All right, the outside's amazing. Let's see if it's just as nice inside. We have a little bonus in the trunk that I just found out about. First time I've looked in here, and it has a binder full of restoration receipts. This car was on a rotisserie, taken down to just a bare shell. There's the body off the frame. You can see they started with a pretty clean car. All new wiring, chassis completely rebuilt, flipped on its side on a rotisserie. The floors were all redone, zero rust under there. Nice solid body, and it starts to come back together. Everything's rebuilt, all the mechanical components. There's more pictures in that box, miscellaneous parts. We also didn't mention, it's a lightweight hitch. Obviously, they weren't pulling a car trailer, but he might have had a small hot rod trailer behind it to put his cooler or lawn chairs or whatever it may be. So the trunk compartment's immaculate. The white paint is just as slick as it is on the outside, even under the trunk lid. The weather strip is new, the rubber mat is new, all the wiring. We've got a new tire for a spare on a painted rim. Jack assembly is all detailed. The battery is relocated back here to the trunk. So this is a beautiful trunk compartment. So that was a good find. I'm going to go through this a little better and write my description for the website. That just made my day. I love finding out great information like that. The door jambs are beautiful. The hardware, nuts, bolts, the latch, the weather strip, the sill plates, all looks like new. Paint is smooth and glossy. Door door panels, the handles, the cranks, all the metal trim, beautiful. All the trim, the knobs, the gauges, the lenses, the chrome. They even put an overdrive shift indicator. It's all fantastic. It has a retro stereo. Well, you get two stereos. It has one down here in the console too. So you got two. You got a 12-volt auxiliary, cup holders. Here's the air controls right here. A remote for one of the stereos. You got a day-night mirror up here. The visors, headliners all redone. It's a Bel Air, so it has the chrome ribs. Now this steering wheel is the original style steering wheel, but it's a little smaller diameter. They used to give you a huge steering wheel because you needed the leverage. It's on a tilt column, new wheel. The seats are nice and firm. The springs, the cushions all feel like new. You got the nice armrest here that just lifts out of the way. You got red seat belts. The back is just as nice. The ashtrays, the knobs, the upholstery. Got a nice custom rear deck with the speakers built in. Dome lights work. as the better, correct, real tight loop carpet on the floor with some Chevrolet floor mats. I mean, this thing is just sparkling. You got custom kick panel speakers. It's really, really nice. The more I'm looking at this car, it's just getting better and better. It's one of the good ones. Now let's see what we got under the hood. It's a rebuilt 350, fuel injected. It's got nice aluminum parts, valve covers, air cleaner, breather, the brackets, they're all matching. It's got a chrome or polished AC compressor. It does have heat. It's a sniper fuel injection system, HEI ignition system. It has a modern upgraded electric wipers. Got a nice fancy dipstick for the transmission. The whole engine bay, the metal is clean and painted. The hinges are new. All this stuff here, aluminum radiator, overflow bottle, chrome one-wire alternator. It's got a modern power steering system, a CPP steering box, new power brake system. It's got new horns. Yeah, it's a really nice car. They built it right. This is beautiful. I really like this car. I tell you what, the more I look at it, the better and better it gets. You couldn't overpay for this car, and what I mean by that, it's the right car. Whoever buys it's going to be very happy with it. The hood latches, replaced door latches, everything. They did put 12 or 13,000 miles on it, but boy, you can't tell it. I couldn't even find a rock chip at the front of the car. Door shuts like new. It's got the right stuff. Just nice. Nice, nice, nice. I can just go on another 10 minutes about this car. All new glass. So there you have it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com, ask them your questions. Salesmen will help you the best they can. They can help you finance this car. They can help get it delivered to your driveway. You better move quick, though, before someone beats you to it. That's at volocars.com. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, subscribe and then click on that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.